On Tuesday, February 11, 2020, the Pullman community will be asked to vote on 3 ballot measures that support our Pullman Public Schools. The first ballot item is the Enrichment Levy. Previously known as the Maintenance and Operations Levy, it is a 4-year replacement levy generating $5.3 million per year that allows for additional staff for class size reduction, course offerings beyond basic education, professional learning for staff, classroom supplies, and athletic, extracurricular, and enrichment activities. The second ballot item is the Technology Levy. It, too, is a 4-year replacement levy. It will help to modernize our educational facilities by enhancing and improving computer technology, technology systems, and infrastructure. At 8 cents per $1,000 of assessed value, the levy will fund $200,000 a year for tech-related projects. The third ballot item is a 20-year, $15 million bond to renovate and expand Lincoln Middle School and to add HVAC upgrades for climate control and indoor air quality at Jefferson, Franklin, and Sunnyside Elementary Schools. The Capital Projects Advisory Committee recommended these capital improvements to relieve overcrowding and to enhance student learning environments. At Lincoln, safety and security concerns will be addressed while adding classrooms and restrooms, enlarging the commons area, and adding science labs. This bond would replace the current LMS bond that expires at the end of 2020. Cost estimates for the bond are $2.78 per $1,000 of assessed value. Here's the bottom line. If all 3 ballot measures are approved, the current tax rate of $5.20 per $1,000 of assessed value will drop to $4.98 per $1,000. That will allow Pullman schools to maintain staffing and programs, improve technology, and address the overcrowding at Lincoln Middle School.